If you're considering using Tick for your business's accounting, there are 12 things you should know before making your decision. In this video, we'll dive into the software's pros and cons, comparing it to other options, so you can make an informed choice by the end. The first thing to consider is the user interface. Tick has a clean and simple design, making it easy for newcomers to jump in. However, compared to other competitors like QuickBooks or Xero, it might feel a bit too basic for users who need more advanced features or customization options. Next thing you'll want to think about is its pricing. Tick offers competitive rates, but it can be more affordable than bigger players in the market. That said, some competitors provide more robust plans for the price. So, if you're a small business on a tight budget, Tick could be the way to go. The third thing is the ease of integration. Tick offers integrations with a few popular apps, but its selection is more limited than alternatives like Zoho Books, which integrates with hundreds of business apps. If you're running a complex operation, you might need something more flexible. Next, let's talk about the mobile experience. Tick has a solid mobile app, but some users report that it could be faster and more reliable. When compared to the mobile apps from competitors, like FreshBooks, which is known for its sleek mobile experience, Tick might feel a bit lacking. The fifth thing to note is reporting. Tick's reporting features are fairly basic, which is fine for simpler businesses. However, if you're looking for in-depth financial reports, you might want to look at alternatives like Xero or QuickBooks, which offer more detailed and customizable reports. Next, let's address customer support. Tick provides decent customer support, but it's not as extensive as what you'd find with companies like QuickBooks, which offers 24/7 support. Tick's limited support hours could be a deal breaker if your business requires constant assistance. The seventh thing to consider is its scalability. Tick is a great solution for small businesses, but as your company grows, you might find its features insufficient. Competitors like Xero or Zoho Books have more robust features that scale with your business. The eighth thing is security. Tick offers standard security protocols, including data encryption and regular backups. However, it might not offer the same level of advanced security features as larger platforms like QuickBooks or FreshBooks. Now the ninth point, customer reviews. Tick generally gets positive reviews for its simplicity, but some users wish for more customization. This isn't uncommon for basic accounting software, but it's something to keep in mind when comparing with more customizable platforms like Zoho Books or Xero. The 10th thing to be aware of is the learning curve. While Tick is generally easy to learn, its simplicity might leave some advanced users wanting more. If you're looking for something with a bit more depth, alternatives like FreshBooks or QuickBooks might be more fitting. Next thing to note is automation. Tick provides some automation features, but it doesn't compare to the level of automation offered by competitors like QuickBooks, which allows more customization and workflows for tasks like invoicing and tax calculations. The 12th thing is the free trial. Tick offers a free trial, but if you're looking for a truly no-commitment option with a better range of features and flexibility, you may want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free and could better suit your business's needs. To sum up, Tick is a solid option if you're just getting started, or if your business is on the smaller side. However, if you need something with more features, integrations, and scalability, you might want to explore other accounting software. Check out our recommended solution for a free trial to see if it's the better fit for you.